So in this section we will be discussing about the server side request forgery vulnerability, shortly called SSRF. So this is similar to like CSRF, but what we are going to do is we are going to make the server make a HTTP request to our desired website. So you can also read this theory, but in short, there is some functionality in the website. So that website is going to fetch some results from an URL, or there is some calculation website. So this website will send the HTTP request to that website, and the website will calculate for you, and the results will be fetched by our main website, and it will show the results for you. So to understand this one, you can see this post request. So there is a post product stock. So I want to know about these stocks, then I want to just post this request, and the request will be sent to this stock.welikeToShop.net website. So in this website they have this calculation script. So whenever we send this one, it will calculate the results for us, and upon the request we get a response containing these stock results. So the server will make the request to this website and get the results for you. So here what we can do is, if there are no filters or insecure, there is nothing to be checked here, then we can try to access the internal systems. So you can try to access the admin panel. If you visit the admin panel like normal in your browser, you will not get access, because you are trying to be like normal user, and there are some access controls. So in this case, the computer, the web server itself is going to ask itself for the admin panel. So that's why we can directly access this admin page. So let's go and do the lab so that we can get much more understanding. So this is similar to like remote file inclusion, but instead we'll be focusing on making the get request to the URL. So the data cannot be included. Actually the web page of this is not included, but instead it will be sent a get request. So that is the main difference between RFI and SSRF. So here there is some admin panel. What we need to do is we need to gain access and edit the user Carlos. So let's go and do this. And before that, what we're going to do is we need to find the admin page. So I know it should be in /admin, but anyway we try to first with the word list, and we'll get the login page as usual, and we get the admin page. So let's go and access this admin page. And if you go to access the admin page, it says admin interface only available if logged in as an administrator or requested from loopback. So that means we should find an entry point, like the website itself making the HTTP request. So let's go to one of the posts. And here we have this stock check. So let's capture this request first, and let's go and click on this. So this is the request, and this seems like URL encoded, so you can copy this one. Click on decode. Now you can see this is a normal website. So it has this stock check. We need to give the product ID 8 and store ID 1. So upon this, it will calculate some stock and it will give you the results. So instead of this website, what I can do is I can try to delete this one and go for http 127.0.0.1 admin. So you can also try for localhost. So this is the localhost IP address /admin. Now if I go to this, send this to repeater and click on forward this one, and now we did not get anything. And you can see here we got this website admin panel, my panel, so my account. And you can also click this one, I guess. So delete this, but you cannot delete this if you actually make the request from the browser. So what you need to do is press Ctrl U and then okay, let's copy link and paste here. So you can see admin delete username parameter is equals to Carlos. So what we are going to do is we need to send this one, admin delete username is equals to Carlos. So upon this, so this request will be made from the web server to the localhost itself. So that's why everything will be bypassed and our user Carlos gets deleted. So you can also first let's send this one, and you can see 302 found a redirect to /admin. And if you go to this, we should solve this lab, but let's refresh this. So we solved the lab. So this is the impact of this SSRF. So you can make any request on the behalf of this admin. So you can also try to fuzz this request. So if you want to find any other actions that admin panel have, so you can put the fuzz here. You can try to fuzz with FUF or bubsuit intruder. So I suppose there are no any special directories apart from this delete for this admin panel. So you can also see here there is only like delete option, or I suppose it's my account, I guess. Let's click on my account. So it will tell you to log in. So 404. So you can try to get the first the response and click on this follow redirection. Okay, we got this. So admin panel, my account. Okay, /my-account. So that's what we have sent previously. For now, so it's just a normal admin panel with only the delete functionality. So remaining are dummy options. So that's how you access the admin panel with the SSRF vulnerability. So this vulnerability arises when on the web server there is no filter for this, and it's just taking this URL and it is doing the GET request for this URL.